Guys, welcome back to another episode of Getting Even with Steven. And today again, we're in the kitchen. But today we're going to make a salad for dinner tonight. But on my salad, I'm going to have fish. So over here, look at this big boy that I bought. Look at this. This is a whole fish right here. This is huge. Look at it. See that? It's a huge fish. I have 3 heads, right? So now I'm going to whisk these 3 eggs. And these 3 eggs is because I'm going to fry my fish. So what I'm gonna do, whisk these 3 eggs just like this, whisking, just like this. Alright, that's perfect. So here is my fish already seasoning, so I'm gonna first dip it into our egg, just like this, Now, we're going to drop it into our batter, our flour, just like that. Now, we're just going to take a spoon and sprinkle the flour all over it generously. Just like that. There we go. Just like this. There we go. Fish out and put it on a little plate, alright? Take it out. And I'm going to put it on a plate. Just put some butter all over it. And the reason why I use the egg is because I want that crust on it. So when I fry it, I have a beautiful crust. So that's why I use the egg when I'm frying it. And this is not going to fry for long. Put some oil on the pot. Make sure it's nice. Perfect. Look over it. Look over it. Yeah. So again, this of my fish. Put it inside the powder. Over here, I have a little frying pot with some oil, and I have it on medium heat right there. So, okay, so now I'm going to start frying my fish. All right, so we're going to have to make sure our oil is hot. I think it's hot enough. All right. So here, I'm going to take my fish and I'm going to lay it away. Perfect. There we have 2 perfect pieces of fish frying. Alright, so guys, I'm just gonna finish this and I'll show you guys my finished product. Alright, also while I'm doing that, I'm gonna be cutting up all the kale, the tomatoes, and yeah, I'll show you guys my finished product. I just want to show you guys my finished product. So here we are. So here we have some avocado, we have some kale, we have a piece of fried fish, we have some tomato, and yeah, and here we have some basmati, some Mary's basmati vinegar dressing. So yeah, so this is my finished product.